Hello everyone. So this is session number 13 of food safety and quality assurance, and the topic which we'll be covering today is World Health Organization. So this is the headquarters of the World Health Organization. The World Health Organization is a specialized agency of United Nations. The World Health Organization was established on 7th April 1948. The headquarters of WHO is in Geneva. The World Health Organization serves as an directing and coordinating authority for international health matters and public health. The first global health organization in later half of 19th century, severe cholera epidemics was occurred. At that time, series of international sanitary conferences were held in Europe to coordinate policy and practice around the quarantine and disease management. The establishment of the United Nations in 1945 marked as a period of aggressive internationalism and international organization building, and through health was not initially through the earth thought to be under the United Nations. After its motion started by Brazilian and Chinese delegates to establish the International Health Organization, and that was generally accepted. A group of health experts working on emergency relief in World War II were with the task of drafting a constitution to define the structure and mandate of the body that would become known as the World Health Organization. Finally, World Health Organization Constitution came into force on 7th April 1948. This date celebrates every year as World Health Day by all over world. What are the objectives of World Health Organization? The objective to develop and implement multi-sectorial public policies for health, integrated gender and age-sensitive approaches that facilitate community empowerment, together with action for health promotions, self-care and health protection throughout the life course in cooperation with the relevant national and international partners. The World Health Assembly. The World Health Assembly is a supreme decision-making body for WHO. It generally meets in Geneva in May each year. It is attended by delegations from all the 194 member states. The Health Assembly appoints the Director General. The current Director General is Dr. Tedros Adhanom, an Ethiopian nationalist who started his 5-year term on 1st July 2017. For the first time, an Indian doctor has been appointed as a Deputy DG of WHO, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. She was until now the DG of Indian Council of Medical Research, New Delhi. The World Health Assembly is conducted in this way. The main functions of the Assembly are to determine the international health policy and program, to review the work of past years, to approve the budget, to elect the member states, to designate a person to serve for 3 years on executive board, supervise the financial policies of the organization, review and approve the proposed program budget. Executive Board. The Executive Board is composed of 34 members technically qualified in the field of health. The members are elected for 3-year terms. The main function of the board are to give effect to the decisions and policies of the Health Assembly, to advise it and generally to facilitate its work. The the chairman of the Executive Board is Asad Hafiz. This is the Executive Board. The Secretariat of WHO is staffed by some 8,000 health and other experts and support staff on fixed term appointments working at headquarters in 6 regional offices. There are 5 assistant director generals and their responsibilities assigned by director general in different divisions. The African regions are the regions whose offices are headquarters, such as Brazzaville, Washington, New Delhi, Copenhagen, Egypt and Manila. The vision is to attainment by all people of highest levels of health. The mission is to lead strategic collaborative efforts among member states and other partners to promote equity in health, to combat diseases and to improve the quality and lengthen the lives of the people of the world. The WHO's work is to prevention and control of specific diseases, the development of comprehensive health services to improve the family health, environmental health, health statistics, biomedical research, assembling of health literature and informatics, and cooperation with the organization to get the equilibrium in improved health status. Health, according to WHO, it is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. The comparative advantages of WHO are neutral organizations to all the member states, nearly universal membership, global presence and networking, no parallel organization in tracking diseases, large number of expertise in the health issues, strong coordination and convincing ability, strong fund collecting ability, and global cooperative collaboration in investment. That's all for this session. Thank you.